COVID money, hospital money, water resources, mali yonke ayikho, mineral money, bayayikhaphula odonga, Demlut, abesenzeni na, abesoneni na, sathwala kanzima thina, emhlabeni omuhle kangaka.
Them looting like crazy monkeys in a poor old woman's cornfield. The looting syndrome is a despicable custom, a disgraceful disease of maladministration, a dishonorable act of total disrespect of the national coffers and the mineral resources. Them loot, a pandemic of thievery and a daytime robbery of the state coffers by those cabals eating cheese, munching lasagna, eating puddings, sushi, and popping champagne under the glitz, the glitter, and the glamour of the red-carpeted corridors of power. Those who eat on behalf of them, those they claim to represent. Those in power, positions of authority, and the public office are squandering every atom of the wealth of the nations. Looting is their religion, a barbaric and namby-pambish religion, an epitome of undiluted satanism that suffocates nations and squeezes life out of the poor, toiling masses of voters, the peasants, and underpaid civil servants. Them, Lord, people who are dying each and every day of poverty, pandemics, and political paralysis. While them looters scavenge on every drop of the people's hopes, like possessed puppies each and every fraction of a second. Them loot, them looters, them loot. No clean water. People are dying each and every day. Onawaya Kapula, they are living large. Resources. Strelega nzima, Bona bayajabula, bona banatha ama whisky, bona bayajabula, bona bahleli kuhle.